Hello everyone. So when people ask me what is my favorite meal of the day, this is what I say, it's breakfast. So today you're going to see a very interesting vegetarian recipe, Granola Parfait with melon, pure vegetarian. A very simple recipe. You need basic ingredients. It's very much available, everything at home. These are the steel cut oats. This is Greek yogurt, the hung yogurt with high protein, some dry fruits, cranberries, raisins, chocolate to add some fun, chia seeds, honey, essence, pumpkin seeds, some almonds, and melon. Perfect summertime. Homemade granola we will make with oats. We will brown the oats with some nuts and some honey. That will go as a layering in the entire preparation. So let's start with Greek yogurt. This is the base we are making, Greek yogurt, and we will add some honey in this. We'll add some honey, we'll add some vanilla essence in this. It should have a nice then this thing goes into the refrigerator. And then to make granola, what we will do, we will take nuts, we will take oats and other stuff to the kitchen for the cooking. So to make granola, you can nicely saute this in the pan, like what I'm doing. Or the other way is to roast it in the oven. It's better to use unsalted butter because it's going to be a sweet preparation. So what we will do first, we heat the butter and then we add the nuts. Now I'll add some oats or brownie. So now you see how it's getting nice golden brown. So this is the time you have to be a little more careful because it will get burnt suddenly. Now you add more dry berries. Stage, we will add honey. Together. Now we will build the glasses of parfait. So take a nice glass, can be any glass. This is old fashioned. And this thing you can just leave it in the refrigerator for an hour to set. Go. Granola parfait is completely set. What we will do is we'll add a little fun to it. This is completely optional. You can grate some chocolate on top. You can eat it as a dessert. You can eat it as a breakfast. It's done.